In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to zoom out the camera in Roblox Blox Fruits on a console after buying Flash Step. This can be particularly useful if you're using the Buddha fruit and want better visibility. Let's dive right into it and make sure you're set up for a smooth gaming experience. First things first, it's important to ensure you have an active Roblox account. If you don't have one yet, take a moment to create an account. It's a simple process with just a few clicks on Roblox's website or app. Once you've successfully created your account, log in with your credentials. You can either open Roblox through their app or directly via your browser, whichever you prefer or is more convenient for your gaming setup. Now, let's talk about adjusting the camera. To zoom out the camera, the right joystick of your controller is key here. First, try pressing or clicking the right joystick. This action is often referred to as clicking it. Once you've clicked the joystick, you can then manipulate it to zoom in and out. Simply move the right joystick forward to zoom in for a closer view of your character or backward to zoom out and get a broader view of your surroundings. However, in some instances, these joystick movements might not work due to different controller settings or game updates. If you encounter this, don't worry, there's another method you can try. One option is remapping your controller. Some consoles allow you to change the button assignments in their settings menu, or you might find these options within the Blox Fruits game itself. Playing with these settings can sometimes resolve any issues with camera control. Alternatively, if adjusting the controller doesn't do the trick, you can consider connecting a mouse and keyboard to your console. Many modern consoles support this, and it provides an alternative way to zoom in and out using the mouse wheel. Especially for intricate games like Roblox Blox Fruits, having this flexibility can enhance your gameplay significantly. Remember, patience is key when you're tweaking these settings. It might take a bit of trial and error to find the combination of controls that work best for your specific gaming setup and device. Also, keep in mind that updates to the game or your console can occasionally change these settings, so it's good to recheck everything after major updates. With these tips in hand, you should be able to adjust your camera and continue your adventure in Roblox Blox Fruits with better control and confidence. Enjoy exploring the vibrant world of Blox Fruits. And happy gaming!